What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I hope everybody's having a great day. I figured today is a great day to give you a little update. I'll show you my grandfather's tomatoes, and tomorrow I'll record how my carrots are looking. Here we go, let's hop in. So here's his ponderosa, and you can see the critters are still eating the tops, but because of the chicken wire they haven't been able to get all the way into them. And you can see he has a bunch of tomatoes on this. This is the ponderosa. Oh shoot. You can see whatever came and ate the tips off of this poor pepper plant. This is the red Marciano. Back here we have bell pepper. This one here's a brandywine. Looks like a bunch of new tomatoes on this one. And then in the back is the Hamsum. And this had a bunch of tomatoes on it. Same issue though, anything that grows out past, it just gets decimated. So one issue with this is you can barely get your hand through. So the good thing is with this one, it's pretty tall where the tomatoes are, so I can just kind of reach over. Come on. Okay. Oh, this is one of them cat-faced. Some people call it pretty, some people call it ugly. Let me know down in the comments what you think. But it is a fresh tomato. So you can see this one here, it's it's too far down for me just to get out. So what I do is I kind of just get the stem to pull off the vine, and then I just let them drop down and pick them up at the bottom. So with how well these tomatoes did growing at my grandfather's house in the cages, I think I'm going to try this again at my house. This year I did the Florida weave, and one of the biggest issues that I was not prepared for was the fact that tomato plants tend to grow at different rates for different varieties. So I had some get very big very quickly, and then I had a few that kind of lagged behind and kind of grew a little slower. And then even towards the end I had some that then really took off and started growing. So I think for next season I'm caging them again. It's gonna kind of be a little bit more self-sustaining that way. I won't have to kind of baby it as much. And anyone who gardens knows if you can put your garden into autopilot, it makes things a lot easier. But yes, the cages here worked fabulous. The chicken wire wrapped around it kept the deers at bay. I don't mind if they eat the tops. You know, I don't want to kind of deny them any food or anything, but in a way, last year they ate everything down to nubs, so we got nothing here. So this was definitely 100% a great idea and a great way of being able to grow tomatoes in this environment for them. I hope you guys enjoy this update with the tomatoes and the carrots, and if so, don't forget to comment, subscribe down below, let me know what you're thinking and how your garden made out this year. Okay, here's the carrots. This is actually day 22 from planting. This was the one that had the cardboard, and then this one was just the compost. Well, I was glad to bring you on this quick update, show you how my grandfather's tomatoes are looking and how my carrots are looking. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oops. And have it do what I didn't want it to have happen, but that's the other thing I do. Sometimes I'll just kind of knock them down and then come underneath and grab them. But I might put that in the blooper reel.